Hello everyone. So today we will be creating a personal portfolio website that is for our Web222 assignment. So this is the final assignment for the semester. I hope you enjoy it. So when a web designer is given an end goal, like create a web page that has this header, this font, these colors, these pictures, and an animated unicorn walking across the screen when users click on this button, the web designer's job is to take that big idea and break it apart into tiny pieces and then translate these pieces into instructions that the computer can understand, including putting all these instructions in the correct order or syntax. Every page on the web that you have visit is built using sequence or separate instructions one after another. So for this project, we have divided our project into three parts. The first one is the HTML, that is the hypertext markup language. The second part, we have the style.css. This is the cascading style sheets that we have created to beautify the website. And the last part is the JavaScript that we have used to add functionality to the website to make it interactive. So, HTML. So, let's start with HTML. HTML provides the basic structure of sites, which is enhanced and modified by other technologies like CSS and JavaScript. So for this website, we have created a basic structure using HTML. This is the structure. We have added a header that contains our image, the logo of the page, and some functionalities which we added in the navigation bar. We added four buttons in the navigation bar, which you can use to navigate throughout the page. And then we also added an about section, which does which basically displays information about me, and we use a little bit of JavaScript in this page, which we will see forward. After that, we created a section about education, which tells the way I studied and what I did in the past. After that, we have a section based on my interests and my skills. And lastly, we have a contact page, which has some hyperlinks for my social media handles and a form that anybody can fill out to contact me. So that's basically the HTML page that has the basic structure. It's like the skeleton of the website. Moving forward, CSS. CSS is used to control presentation, formatting, and the layout of the website. So the things we added in the HTML file, we can style them. We can beautify them using the style.css or the cascading style sheets. Okay, so here we added a background color, which is black. We added a scroll behavior, which is smooth, so it smoothly goes up and down. After which we added some hover effects to pop up the images, and it's a long file, so not worth it to explain everything. But basically, I've divided it into the same sections. I divided the HTML file into. That is the about section, education section, and the interest, and the contact section. That's and lastly, not to forget, we added a media only screen. So what this does is it renders the website so that it can work on small devices as well. So like phones or iPads. So a website should be optimized enough to work on laptops and phones. I mean everywhere. Lastly, we have the script.js. JavaScript is used to control the behavior of different elements. Um, for the JavaScript, it is a logic based programming language that can be used to modify website content and make it behave in different ways in response to a user's actions. So, what we did is, let me demonstrate. We start with the live server. There you go. So, these are the navigation pane I created. So, it helps you navigate throughout the page. And this is what I'm talking about, the JavaScript. So it means it should respond to any user's actions, right? So if you click on student ID, it shows my ID. You click on college email, it shows my email. So that's what user interface is. I mean, the user's actions should have response. Okay, so this is the basic structure of my website, including the CSS and the JavaScript. Here I added a background image, which I fixed it in the spot so that it can overlay the other stuff over it. This is some basic information about me, the subject, student ID, and college email. So I added a download button to download my resume. So if you click on this, there you go. The resume is downloaded. After that, we have the education section. I studied at St. Mary's School from 2007 to 2021. Click on this, it takes you to my school's website. I'm currently studying computer programming and analysis at Seneca College, and I'm expecting to graduate in 2024. If you click here, you go to this college website. Here are some skills. I mean, I like web development, basic UI UX structures. I like programming, C, C++, JavaScript, and I have a little interest in graphic designing, which I do sometimes. This is the last contact me page where we have my email, my phone number, a form that you can fill out and contact me. The form, the content, filled out in the form goes directly to my Excel sheet, which I've created online. These are the four social media handles. So if you click here, it goes to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, lastly, LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile. We have added a little copyright by me. This is the submit button. So if you like fill out something, so prove, sorry, that's that. Fill out an email. So this, submit. There you go. Submitted. And yeah, that's the basic structure of my website. Not to forget, we have to host this website on our server. So for that, we'll be using Netlify. So Netlify, go over to Netlify. And then here we can upload our files. There we go. Desktop. And then we upload a portfolio folder. Upload. It's going to take a minute to upload. There you go. So we uploaded our folder onto a web server. So we can access it using just a link and not all the files. Click on this link. There you go. So my website can now be accessed using this link, which is really cool. That's about it. So about portfolio, and lastly my contact. This is the basic website I created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.